And all we've got now is the second accessory we're going to put on, which is just kind of a little goofy kind of a thing, but anything on there that isn't too much and too much, you know. So this is one of them little things you put on the shifter so you don't get a big old blister on your foot when you're wearing regular shoes. So if you're wearing regular shoes on your bike, just kind of cruise around or something like that, this will actually protect you. And it also saves the pad on the shifter right here also. That kind of takes a little bit of wear and tear off of that and off the metal too right there. So you don't just want a bunch of shine spot in like 10 years, 5 years or whatever. So, once again, we got our scissors. Cut the sucker open off the top here, a long tab of plastic. We can access it. Once again, I won't cut it all the way in case there's some kind of an issue, but I don't think so. So now, as I take this right here, pick the bike up. This might not be the right one for the bike, but you know what? I think it'll look alright once we get it on there and all stretched out. I don't think you can put the thing on backwards. That don't look too bad actually. That's really cute, huh? Look at that, huh? I got that on clearance over at Cycle Gear. It's sitting inside of clearance. What did I pay for that at clearance? That was $10. $10 right there. I don't know what the brand is on here. They always like to cover it up. Let's see, WPS. WPS. And of course it's a Rider Rubber Shift Sock Black. Not too bad. We'll have to see how it works out. I'm not going to give a full review on it right now, but you know, the more we can black out this bike, not too much. I don't go too excessive, but that's a good little thing right there. I like that.